Hello and welcome to Indian curry recipes. Today we are making sweet potato and swede pakoras or bhajias. It's a super simple recipe. Just boil some sweet potato and swede and mash it. Add some roasted paprika or roasted red chilli powder, whatever you prefer. Roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, and salt as per your taste. Some black salt. You can use pink salt as well. Little bit of lemon juice, that's 1 teaspoon, and this is optional. This is Italian grated cheese. You can use breadcrumbs as well instead, optional. Mix this really well. So all the masalas are mixed really well. Now I'm adding plain flour, roughly about 2 tablespoons, 2 to 3, just to combine the whole thing together. Mix this really well so all the masala and everything is mixed really well. Super simple recipe. You can use chickpea flour as well. Now in a hot oil, just drop them in forming small balls. Make sure to turn them over when they're brown. Really nice. This recipe is so easy and it's nice and crispy on the outside and soft inside. Really nice, sweet, tangy, delicious. You can make this in minutes. So I'll break and show it to you. That's how it is. Delicious recipe. Do give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to Indian Curry Recipes, our YouTube channel, for more recipes. And also do visit us on indiancurryrecipez.com. All the links are in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Bye.